Hi my loves. Tonight is my first time, I think, doing a video outside. So welcome to my porch, which is pretty much my favorite place on the earth. I have a screened in porch and it's just beautiful around, as you can see in the background. So we have horses, not my horses, but we have horses back there that run by all the time. So it's really kind of an idyllic location that I live. So I'm really blessed. And I got my twinkle lights this year from Hobby Lobby that are just kind of glowing back there. You can see. Anyway, so hi from my porch. I just thought it would be kind of fun to do a video out here. And I just have a few things to talk about, just kind of randomness. I do think I updated you guys. I weighed in at like 166.4 last week, weigh-in day. If you haven't been to my channel before, I had VSG surgery on August 20th, 2012. So I am almost 5 years post-op VSG surgery, and I have dealt with, you know, ups and downs and weight loss and regain and all that kind of stuff. So I've been through the gamut of things that you could go through with VSG. It wasn't easy for me. I didn't lose a ton of weight in my first 18 months. I lost like 90 pounds in the first 10 months and know now that I could have pushed myself harder, but I ended up pushing myself harder later, which is okay. I think that I feel like I almost had to earn it a little more than if I would have just done it during surgery time, like the magical time period. Anyway, as far as plastics go, I am still debating on the Mexico thing or possibly doing it here, talking to a doctor that does weight loss surgery patients here in my area, which is Grand Rapids, Michigan, and possibly getting some of that covered by insurance, as far as they do cover paniculectomies with certain criteria met under their medical policy. So if I meet that criteria, which takes a little while to do, because I haven't reported any medical issues until most recently, and they have to be like 6 months, and there's a whole criteria of things, which brings me to what I wanted to talk about as far as getting your insurance to cover your VSG surgery. The number one thing I want to recommend, and I work for an insurance company, so I do feel like I have some background in this area. I also process claims for a living, so I have some expertise in the whole insurance and medical policy authorization type of field. So if you are looking at getting any type of weight loss surgery, the key to that, if you don't have an automatic in and know that you're covered, is to get a copy or find online the medical policy that addresses the weight loss surgery, so that you can read it for yourself and see the criteria and the rules and what they require in order to have you covered for that surgery. So that's my recommendation to you. Start there, and then you can see exactly what is required by the insurance. If they require a medical weight loss program prior to, which mine did within the year of your surgery, and also they require a certain BMI, which mine actually, my medical policy was changed, between the time that I first looked at it and then the time that I had it. The BMI requirement was lowered, so that helped me. And then you do have to have maybe some other issues going on possibly. So get a copy of that, read it for yourself, and if you have a friend in your family, if you have trouble with medical terminology or anything like that, get a friend in your family, say a registered nurse or a medical assistant that works in a doctor's office, something to that effect, that can help you read through that and understand it and have a good knowledge about what they're talking about in that medical policy if you do not yourself. Those are just some ideas to help you get on your way to getting that covered. Back to the plastics thing, still looking into where I'm going to have that done. I'm looking at having it done in the fall, and I'm pretty excited about that, and it's just kind of surreal to think about. And I look at my body right now and think about that excess skin being on, and it's very exciting. I don't hate my body. I don't think I've ever hated my body. I definitely know that this surgery will help me love my body more, if that makes sense. I think a lot of times, until you do something to improve, you don't even know that there's like how much of a difference it can make until you see like, oh wow, just like wearing different makeup. Like I didn't know I could look a certain way until I tried wearing that kind of a makeup, and then I tried it and like, oh, there's no going back because you just like it. So I don't know if that's a good comparison, but that's what I have going on. Also looking to hopefully buy a house in the next, I would like to do it now, but the housing market is just crazy around here. So I want to say next 1 to 2 years when I can actually afford something and possibly get a good deal in a house. I don't know why I'm talking about that, except just that's where my thoughts are going about forward thinking, what's going on in my life, like getting surgery, buying a house for the kids and I, just having an awesome pad to lay roots down and have, kids' friends over and just be like the fun house to go to in the house with some good parental supervision. You never know what's going on anywhere else. So yeah, those are just some thoughts that I had tonight. This is a super random video, but I wanted to share that with you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see random videos anytime. Maybe I'll make another porch video. Maybe I'll be in my kitchen sitting on the floor. Who knows? You never know. I could be in the bathroom. I mean, you never know. Just hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, even as random as it was, so you're my true peeps if you actually hit the thumbs up button on this. If you haven't already, come follow me on Instagram. I am at, if you want to follow the weight loss surgery journey, EmilyAMvsg, or my more personal, gingerlifegoals on Instagram. And then Snapchat, red42897. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, little update, little thoughts on life. I do feel like this is a really good time for like reflection and knowing that this weight loss surgery was the best decision that I've ever made in my life, and I get reminded of that on a daily basis. So I can't wait for those of you who haven't experienced that, who are just coming out of surgery, or who are just starting the process, and maybe you're having surgery upcoming. Super excited for you guys because it's gonna come and it's gonna be a whirlwind, and there's gonna be times where you're having a weight loss stall or you're having issues and you feel like, why did I do this? Or you're gonna miss food for a little bit. You're gonna have a mourning period or like a grieving period, but it's gonna be awesome. So just hang in there wherever you are in your journey. I would love to hear from you. So please comment below and let me know where you're at. Have you had weight loss surgery? Do you have a friend that's had weight loss surgery? Is it someone in your family you're watching videos for? Are you scheduled to have surgery? Did you already have it? Are you post-op? Let me know below where you are in your journey. I would love to hear from all of you. You make my day. I don't know if you realize how much all of your comments, feedback, likes, subscriptions mean to me, but they do. They mean the world. And my kids get really excited. They're so excited for mom. Like 3,000 subscribers I hit, guys. Thank you so much for that. Because of you guys, it's just, I want to keep making these videos. So thank you for all of you who have subscribed already. You excite me, you excite the kids, and it's just like a journey that my family's on, and I'm thankful to have you guys as a part of it. So thanks for watching the random video, and have the best day. I will see you in the next video.